Hi dear friends, myself Pramod Gharat from NM Joshi Vidya Bhavan Goregaon heartily welcome of you in this session. Today we are deal with the activity from the bridge course. Name of the activity is to converse effectively in different social contents and real life situations. Means in this activity we are going to think about the conversations or communications. Students, you know that conversation is most important thing. We are from Marathi medium students. If we compare to the English medium students, they converse very effectively. When we converse, at that time we fumble while communicating to the others. So that we are going to develop our conversation skill or communication skill through this activity. At first, we are going to focus on what things needed for the good conversation. If you want to communicate properly or fluently, then there must be grammar constructions, then fluency and pronunciations, then you have vocabulary and ideas, then intonations marks, then confidence and bold oral presentations. These things are needed for the fluent conversations. Students, here is given one conversation. Look at there. There are three characters in this conversation: tree, pigeon, and sparrow. Now I am going to read this conversation. You should listen very carefully. Hey sparrow. Hi pigeon. How are you both? Happy to see you in my garden after a long time. Pigeon says. Just surviving. Sparrow. Absolutely true. Tree. Where were you all these days? Sparrow. Forgot about us. Look at yourselves. A few leaves to be counted. Tree. Yes. These men cut my branches for wood. Pigeon. You don't have any fruits of us. Tree says. These people pluck my fruits too. Sparrow. Neither you have shadow nor in a potter to live for yourself. All your words are true. I am just standing with the water that I preserve in my root. Pigeon. Then how can you give us a place for nest and fruits to eat? Tree. True. These human beings have to suffer for water and fruits without me. Only after that they will realize their blunder. The bird says. Poor humans. May God show them the straight path. Tree says. Long live you birds. May God bless you. This is the conversation. Now, on this conversation, there are given some questions. Dear friends, you should read this conversation again and solve the given activities. Here are some questions, and you should solve these questions. Now, if we consider about our activity sheet, in our activity sheets of the 10th standard, there is question number 5, and in the question number 5, there is the B sections, means in B1 there is dialogue writing, and in this dialogue writing there are three pieces of dialogues writings or conversations. You know that in the first there is jumble sentence are given, and you have to put these sentences in proper order. Then in the second, complete the conversations, means there is you have to complete the conversation. Then in the 3, means in B section 3, you have to write the conversation with the help of the given topic, and you have to use your own ideas related to the topic. Means you have to write three meaningful exchanges in these conversations. Now, here is one more thing. Look at here. Extensions activities is given for you. What is your favorite book? You should complete this. For example, my favorite book is English. What type of book is it? Means is it story books? Whatever it may be. You should complete this conversation. Now, dear friends, in your bridge course books, page number 71, 72, 73, and 74, there are given some conversations. You should read these conversations and solve the activities given on the conversations. Means there is given some complete the following dialogues. There are some questions. You should read these questions carefully, read the conversation carefully, and solve the activities. And most important thing is that you should start to communicate with your friends, parents, brothers, sisters in simple English language. If we start, definitely we will speak English. Thank you.